ready to unlock free dragons, gems, and more in Dragon City. Then buckle up because I'm about to reveal the secret to redeeming those precious codes. First things first, fire up Dragon City on your device once you're in. Look for the settings menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings panel. Now, within the settings menu, you'll want to find the support button. Tap on the support button. This will take you to the Dragon City Help Center. Within the Help Center, there should be a redeem code or code redemption option button. It might be labeled differently depending on the version. Click on that shiny button to proceed. A little window will pop up, requesting the code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it is given to you. These codes are case sensitive, meaning uppercase and lowercase letters matter. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Once you've entered the code correctly, hit that redeem button. If all goes well, you'll see a confirmation message showing your reward ready to be claimed. Enjoy your new dragons or gems. What if it doesn't work? Let's address common issues. If you got an invalid or expired message, double check that you have entered the code correctly. If the code is correct, the code may have expired. Codes don't last forever, so act fast when you find one. Also, each code normally works once per account, so that also could be the reason it is not working now. Go forth and redeem those codes, Dragon Masters.